Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today's Terminator Tuesday, guys. So we have issue 98 of Build the Terminator, and I'm going to film this. I'm going to then upload it, and then I'm going to do issue 99 of the Terminator, because I'm doing two lots of Terminator on Tuesdays until I catch up, because we had issues in the past and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this build. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so we're going to be doing another tour to start off with. So we need to bring across this bit here and this bit here. Now, a bit of a mission for you is I did the first tour for the left leg wrong. I realised that the things weren't pushing down into place, and it's basically because when it asks you to get the parts out, it asks you to get the parts out like that. And what I didn't realise was I was just completely doing it wrong. So we'll get it right way around, get that the right way around. The number on this should be facing downwards. So let's get that sorted. And then with that, we need to put a grub screw in. So put that into place. And using my Oreo, which is ideal for this job, I'm going to screw that in place. Now that's not wanting to go in. Oh right, yeah, it is now. Wow, that has to be the hardest one out of all them grub screws to put in. Okay, now we've done that, we bring over the next piece, which is this piece here, and we want to be putting it on there. We grab a plastic sleeve, trying to get that in, push that in. That's not wanting to go in, so somebody did say try pushing it from the other side. So let me just get that out and push it in from the other side. Ah, well, that does work. Okay, now we've done that, we need one of these plastic bits. Just going to twist it off. There's no need for sprue cutters, I've found. We're just going to push that into place. Then I use the back of my Oreo screwdriver to make sure that's flush. And that is pretty flush there. Okay, the next bit is we need the toe part. That again, just going to slot in there. Plastic sleeve. Oh, it's slipped out. Not a problem. Again, that one's not going in, so I'm going to try from the bottom. Try again. From the bottom end. Ah, yeah, okay, that's a nice little nifty tip. And we need another one of these again. So we'll get one of these off. Push that down. Back of the screwdriver again. And that's in place. Okay, so that's all we have to do on that toe section. The next part we need to bring across is this part here and this part from issue 97. Now it's saying that we need to make a note at one end of this. Let's just see. It says take the lower assembly from issue 97 and the lower leg part. Note that one end of the leg part has a raised studded end. So that's the raised studded end there. Okay. Let's just turn the magazine over. Now this one is going to be going into this hole here, as you can see. But what we need to do is, a good old friend of mine found this trick. We get this bit here, put the screw in, push it into the hole from above, like that. just turn it around, put the screwdriver on it, put the end that needs to be screwed in, and just sort of do it that way. That way it's a lot easier. And this is just being screwed in with a KM 2x16mm screw. There's quite a lot of turns on this, so don't be alarmed if you're thinking that's never going to go in, because it will do, and it is designed to be loose as well. Let's just check, make sure there's no more turn on that. Nope, there's no more turn on that at all. And that's it for this issue, issue 98. So yeah, we've done that part there, and we've done that part there in this issue. So we're really motoring along now with the left leg on this model. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing issue 99. So yeah, that's stage 98 complete. Well, that's it for issue 98 of Build the Terminator. Nice little quick issue to do, nice and fun. We are really motoring on this model now, and I can't wait to get to the next bits, because once we've done this lower leg, I've seen ahead, and we are going to start doing the chest plate and everything like that. And I'm really excited, because we have been repeating ourselves for quite a while on this Terminator, so it'd be nice to really give it something that's impactful. I'm not going to attach the lower leg when it comes to it, because I'm going to keep it off the model. I've noticed if we're going to start doing the chest plate, it's going to mean moving the model backwards and forwards in all the different types, and it's just going to be a bit of a pain getting all them pieces into place. So I'm going to keep the arms and the legs off until I absolutely need to then put them on. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.